The markers and memory location system in Pro Tools has been significantly enhanced, offering audio post users the ability to give detailed, color-coded comments within tracks to improve sound workflows and collaborations, and to improve project interchange with Media Composer. In addition to the main marker rulers, every track in Pro Tools can have its own markers. The Marker Controls view lets you target any track for markers dropped with the Command Enter shortcut, and lets you toggle between views. You can also quickly add a marker to any track using the plus button. The new memory location panel shows the location of the marker and a choice of 16 color options. Markers on tracks are shown in a dedicated lane, where you can tab between markers or double-click to select a range. You can choose whether the spaces between the markers are color-filled. The Markers Follow Edit button in the toolbar lets you choose whether track markers follow adjacent clips or remain independent. For example, if you're marking a point in time, like the location for an effect or ADR cue, you wouldn't want the marker affected by clip edits. But if the marker relates to a point in a specific clip, you'll want them to stay linked. In either mode, markers can be adjusted manually and can be moved between tracks and the main marker rulers. You can also snap markers to the edit cursor by control-clicking on Mac or start-clicking on Windows. In the track marker lane, you can switch between viewing marker names or comments. In this example, markers in Comments view have been used on VCA tracks to label composite background effects, helping a mixer to see elements of the mix. And here, track markers have been used to mark out an ADR session, using a folder track set to the markers playlist view.
Call me then, won't you?
Glad to.
The memory locations window can be resized freely, and you can extend the name column to see longer marker names. You can easily find and group your track markers by sorting by track name or by color-coding your markers. It's also possible to filter the list by track name and to show only the track markers by excluding the main rulers. You can even show only markers on currently selected tracks and have the memory locations list update dynamically. Track markers also deliver better interoperability with Media Composer. Pro Tools sessions generated by Media Composer 2022.12 and later come across with matching track locators and colors. And since Media Composer puts most of the important information in the comments, they will be displayed by default.
Patching into their security cams.
Track markers give you powerful ways to organize and collaborate in your Pro Tools sessions.
Now,